Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Wednesday, September the 16th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. The link for the free room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. Room is open Monday to Friday between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen live on the mic. In the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off. I would encourage you to click on my homepage link. You'll see how you can take out a subscription. Plus, there's some other good links there, including links for my video, training links, and also the trade of the week. Well, what a day again, guys. I have to show you some of the ones from my watch list, especially the WVE. If you were in the room yesterday, and I think even last week, you know, this one has been on our radar for a bit. Let me just show you the... Let's show you the monthly chart of WVE. And you can see we've been talking about this one because look at all the room it has. You know, this is last month. It finally started to break out. I don't know what happened this month. Obviously, it's not good news. It's one of these bios, and I have no idea what happened. But, you know, last month it started to come back, and that's what caught my attention. I thought, okay, you know, when you look left on this monthly chart, the next high looking left was way back here, and that was about $4 away. And then after that, you've got all this. Not that that one little, you know, topping tail on the monthly chart is going to stop it, but, you know, after that, it's completely and utterly clean. So this was on my watch list. Let me just show you where the alert was. 1664. I ended up taking this trade just underneath the whole number. Usually I wait for the whole number break, but it just looks so darn strong. Look at the candle right there. 1664, it popped all the way up. I took some out at 1784, and I still have some left. I have taken some out just over 18 also. I should get the mark here. Just over 18 in case it drops down below 18. If it does, I'm going to be out of the trade. But, you know, just a great percentage move, and all based on a great looking monthly. Not unlike I know, which unfortunately I did not take. Now, this doesn't look, let me see if I can bring, yeah, the weekly is maybe gives a better look for I know. So this is if you know I know it all, you know it's a virus play, and you know that some short sellers, I can't remember if it's Street Sweeper or Citron, but they've dumped all over this company saying it's, you know, it's a farce that it was up here, and who knows, maybe it was. Bottom line is, as traders, we don't really care. All we care about is what's happening today. So you can see yesterday it had a great run, and today a fantastic continuation. And let's take a look at it on the daily chart, even a better look. Look what it's done on the daily chart. It has got rid of all this now. So the next level that it could start to attack is, you know, up here between the 20 and 22 level. I'm not saying it's going to get there, but, you know, that's what traders are looking at. And again, unfortunately, I did not take this trade. 1557 was the alert. You could have, if you'd taken that trade immediately, you could have made some money and maybe got rid of it, and then it dropped back down. And as I say to people, my watch list, that's what it is. It's a watch list. You don't, if you miss the entry the first time, if it runs, if it pulls back, it could give you a second entry, which is what I know did. Or if it doesn't work at all, maybe, you know, you get an alert and it drops, and then it comes back up. So, you know, use it as a watch list. TCS turned out to be another nice little trade. From yesterday, you can see TCS also on the monthly chart. It has room, same sort of thing. This is a stock that we were in yesterday. And I just want to show you, so there's the 594 on the alert. It pulled back, gave you an opportunity to get it right here. It ran before it pulled back again up to 639. I mean, that's a great percentage move. You know, I don't think the leeway 843, see, that one did not. Well, I shouldn't say that. I mean, you know, we get the alert at 843 and it goes up to 890. So, I mean, you know, you'd have to get out of it around here, but another great percentage move. I also do want to talk a little bit about one of the AI alerts this morning, and that would be Mayo. Okay, so let me bring up a 15, oh, here's the 15-minute chart. So, second here. So there was the alert for Mayo at 517, right there. This is after that bottoming tail. So what did it do? It moved higher and higher and higher, and before it pulled back really at all, it got up to 567. So from 517 to 567, was that 50 cents? Great percentage move. Now I'm not saying you didn't have to get it right on the penny, get out or get in at the penny and out at the penny, but in this middle 2/3 as I call it, you can make a good living. My point in this is that the AI did not get out of this trade until, where was it, at 531. To me, that's too much to give up. If you're up at 567 and you're giving up 35 cents, 36 cents, that's too much on a $5 stock. If you're talking Apple, it's obviously not a big deal. But on a $5 stock, that's just too much. So that's why we're always say, the AI, not unlike my watch list, you allow the machine, the AI, to alert you to the opportunity. And then, in my opinion, you should manage your exits. You should never allow something like that to happen. And I think you'll be better off for it. So anyway, I want to get back into the room. There's just there's so many other things that are happening. The one good, really nice trade from the AI was this one, ARWR. ARWR had tremendous news pre-market. You can see this big pop. It's still up almost 50% right now. It was, of course, way up over 50% when it was up at $53. The alert came in at 47.09. Again, I don't know where the AI got out of the trade. Yeah, I mean, you just can't do this. I mean, you get in at 47.34, all right? I'm sorry, you get in at 47.09 or thereabouts, and you exit at 47.34 when the stock hit 53. You can't allow that to happen, okay? I forbid it. But seriously, you really have to manage the exits. You'll do a lot better if you manage the exits. Like sometimes the auto, the way where the AI gets out will be a decent exit. But if you're up here and you see this, you got to take some out. You just have to take some out. So anyway, I want to get back into the room and check out to see what's going to happen for the rest of the day. So I'm going to close this down. There. Bring back the capture program. If you have any questions for me, one other thing I should add. If you want to follow my watch list all day long, from the toolbar, click on New, and then Channel Bar, and then Barry's Watch List, okay? And remember, everything in the channel bar is a layout, so before you do that, make sure you save. If you have a layout already loaded, make sure you save that layout to the cloud, because you can only have one layout loaded at a time. If you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is a link, again, for the free trading room, and I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern. I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.